Hello, Malcolm. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Tradovate to trade futures. Tradovate offers a wide range of futures, markets across indexes, different types of markets. So pick the type of futures contract that you want to trade. There are many, for example, these options here that you can find by doing a simple Google search. And then go into Tradovate and you want to select the specific market that you want to trade. So here we will see all the most popular instruments, or we can search for a specific one, say that we want to trade micro US Treasury bond. Search in here and you will find the markets here. So once you have selected the futures market that you want to trade, I recommend getting up a super DOM. I'm going to trade micro E-minis here. So you can either trade on the DOM. It's good to see price action in real time, or you can trade on the actual charts by selecting different time periods. So a common thing about markets on here, there will be a micro version and a mini version. So a micro is the least riskiest way to trade, and then the E-minis, they are larger contracts that there's a much more risk to reward potential on trading those. So click on the one that you want to trade. Here we can define how many contracts that we want to put on this particular trade. So say for 5, and then we can press buy market or buy market or sell market. If we click this, we can set stop losses and take profits. Also here we can put in trail stops and etc. Make sure you click on, save that. You can also set these down here, pressing on, 2 ticks, and you can see that corresponds in there. Once you're in the trade, you'll see your profit up here or your profit here. You can add indicators here. And yeah, that's how you do that, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.